getting the right amount of vitamins. If you eat healthy and balanced meals each and every day, you will get all of the necessary vitamins and minerals your body needs to function. Even though we all have different dietary needs, we all need vitamins in order to live healthy lives and prevent diseases. Vitamins have been around for hundreds of years, providing us with a way to live our lives in a healthy manner. Although there are many different vitamins out there, you'll need a certain amount of each one to keep your body healthy. There are many different classifications of vitamins, including A, B, C, and E. These vitamins are extremely important, with each one serving a unique purpose for both your body and your health. When it comes to the type of vitamins, B vitamins are the most diverse. This is a very important vitamin, one that was discovered by mixing several chemicals together. With the B vitamin being so diverse, scientists understand the complex well enough to isolate the vitamin into 8 different variations of the B vitamin family. These variations include B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9, and B12. As with other vitamin classes, a deficiency in the B vitamin can result in several different conditions such as weight loss, weakness, stress, diarrhea, dementia, anemia, and other things. A deficiency in B vitamins isn't good for anyone, as the entire family contributes to your body. If you have a deficiency of any of the variation of this vitamin, you should always do something about it just as fast as you can. As a whole, the B vitamin family will work to give you healthier skin, a faster metabolism, and an overall better immune system. They can also help you to fight back against depression and stress as well, which is something we could all use. No matter how you look at it, this family of vitamins could greatly improve life as you know it. Although other vitamins are essential to your diet as well, the B family is among the most important. All of these vitamins should be included in your daily diet, as they greatly improve your body and your health. Even though you may be on a healthy diet, you may not be getting what you need of the B vitamin family. If this happens to be the case, you should look into vitamin supplements that will give you the doses of the B vitamins you need. Although you may not realize it, going without B vitamins can be very bad on your body and your health. If you make the smart choice and get yourself some B vitamin supplements, you'll know that you are getting exactly what you need to live a healthy life.